Hi friends, myself Aniket Renavikar, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. In the program MCOM Valuation of Real Estate, the subject is Building Construction 3rd in semester 3rd. In that the topic is a cataloging of building materials with specifications. In valuation, we meet with different types of building materials at different structures like load bearing structure, RCC frame construction, high rise structure, etc. If we know different materials of the same property categorized in one table with its property, applications and workmanship, then we can have good feasible valuation report of the project. Normally, building materials are specified for the various construction stages. That is, first is foundation and plinth, second superstructure, third roofing, fourth door, window and openings, fifth flooring, finishing, plumbing and sanitation, electrification, MS grill work, etc. Previously, most of the building materials used for the construction were locally available and in natural form. But nowadays, a different process of cutting, polishing, finishing and mixing have given birth to new form of building materials with variety of color, texture and size and appearance. So it has become essential to catalog building materials according to their property, applications and performance. So first we say about the stones. Stones are used for the foundation and plinth. Black basalt, sandstone, laterite, marble, granite, etc. should be used. For flooring and roofing, we can use the tub, shabat, kota, kadapa, granite, marble, etc. For sand is used in inert and strong material in concrete. It should be in part of mortar in plastering work. Coarse sand is used for filling the foundation trenches in expansion of soil. Next is a brick. Brick is used for the foundation and plinth. For foundation and plinth, we use the burnt bricks, compressed brick blocks, etc. In superstructure, we use mud blocks, clay bricks, burnt bricks, hollow bricks, solid brick, compressed earth, cement stabilizer bricks, etc. We also use the various types of cements in the construction, that is Portland cement, natural cement, high alumina cement, super sulfate cement and special cement as ingredients. Next construction material is lime. Lime is used for the manufacture of cement, paint and glass. It is also used in production of artificial stones and sand lime bricks. It is used for making mortar for brick and stone masonry works. It is also used for plastering walls and ceilings. In making of bricks, tiles and metal processing works, lime acts as a flux. Lime is also used for making a lean lime concrete in foundation and flooring works. It is also used for the whitewashing and for serving as a base coat of the distemper also. We can use the lime. Next is a glass. There are various types of the glasses, that is soda lime glass, potash lime glass, potash lead glass, etc. In the soda lime glass is used for the manufacture of glass tubes and other laboratory apparatus, plate glass, window glass, etc. Potash lime glass is used for the manufacture of glass articles which have to be stand high temperatures such as combustion tubes, etc. Potash lead glass that is used for the making of artificial gems, electric bulbs, lenses, prisms, etc. And common glass that is used for the manufacture of medicine bottle. Also there are commercial forms, that is sheet glass, plate glass, wired glass, laminated glass, glass wool or fiber glass, colored glass and structural glass are the types of the glasses. Next is a paint. Paint is an organic material containing different compounds with a different organic composition and best suitable for finishing work of plaster. Give rise to a very good smoothness and glazing and increase the internal as well as external beauty of the building. Varnish. Varnish is composed of hard gums and oils thinner with the spirit or turpentine, and it also composed of hard gums, heat treated soils, spirits, waxes, etc. Next is a turbine dryer. Turbine dryer turpentine is treated with strong sulfuric acid. Next is the metals. Metals, in that there is a cast iron and a wrought iron. Cast iron is used for the making bed plates, rail chairs, weights, carriage wheels, and manufacture of cisterns, water pipes, gas pipes, railings, etc. And the wrought iron is used for the construction purpose, making bars, wires of different sizes, and GI sheets or corrugated sheets, etc. We can also use this steel as a construction. There's mild steel, medium steel, high carbon steel, and tool steel are the types of the common types of the steel. Mild steel is used for the soft wires, bolts, rivets, gears, chains, fan blades, grinders, etc. Medium steel is used for rails, railway axles, fish plates, wheels, etc. High carbon steel is used for tools and rail, and tool steel is preparing for cutting rods. These are the various types of steel we have used in the construction. Also, aluminum is also the main construction material. In aluminum this metal is cheaply used for making parts of aeroplane, utensils, paints, electric wires, window frames, glazing bars, corrugated sheets, structural member coils, posts, panels, etc. Also, main important part of the construction material is timber. Timber, there are various types of timber, that is teak wood, deodar, sal, mango, any, rosewood, bamboo, honey, cedar, nandi, etc. These are various types. There are uses are also in the timber as per their types. In the plastic, there are various types of plastics are used, but there are various typical uses of the plastic in buildings, that is bath and sink units, system wall floors. Plastic is used, corrugated and plain sheets. It is also used for the decorative laminates and molding, electric conducts, electrical insulators, etc. Also, next is a rubber. That is, there are two types of rubber we can use it in the construction industry. That is natural rubber and synthetic rubber. There are various. Rubber is used as a gasket to make the doors and windows airtight in case of refrigerator, air conditioner rooms, etc. It is also used in the lining material for parts of the machine subjected to heavy frictions. It is also used for preparing tires of vehicles and machines. It is also used as absorbing shocks and materials in heavy laboratory machines. We can use this. Also, synthetic timber, that is plywood, party board, winners, mica, etc. used for the synthetic timber. Asbestos also used for the construction industries. Asphalt and we can already seen in previous lecture about this asbestos and use of asphalt and asbestos also. So friends, these are the various construction materials which are used in the construction industry, which are very important in the so, and in valuation it is very important to different types of materials. In that these if different materials of same property characteristic one table is in this, we can also use it. So friends, today we stop here. In this lecture we can see about the cataloging of building materials with their specification. And we can see about the stone, brick, sand, cement, lime. There are various types of cement, glass, paint, etc. We can see learn in this lecture. This all with refer to the self-destruction material prepared for the MCOM valuation of state from by Center for Education by University Kolhapur. So today we should be here. Any query regarding topic, you can directly mail on following mail at cd_multi@shivaji.ac.in.